Hi guys, welcome to Chefika's kitchen. My name is Nestle and in today's episode I will be making chicken wings. I love to serve chicken wings in any get-together, parties or even just as a dinner. It is a quick and easy finger food. Here I have my chicken wings. I did go ahead and pat them dry with a paper towel. Then I have here garlic powder, salt, paprika powder, baking soda, some oil and black pepper. First, I will take my oil, put it over, then I'm gonna take my paprika powder, that's for color and for taste, my salt, my garlic powder, my black pepper, and my baking soda. The baking soda will help that your wings crisp up and get a nice color. Now I go with my clean hands in it and combine everything good together. Here I have two baking racks. One of them I did cover with some aluminum foil to prevent any burns in my oven from the drippings. With the other one, I will put all of my wings on my rack. I did place all of my wings on my rack. I like to bake my wings on a baking rack. It is really important that you have a good airflow, that you can get the crispy skin on it. I will bake my wings at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. After that, I will give them a flip and bake them for another 20 to 30 minutes until they get really crispy and golden brown in color. And these are my chicken wings after an hour baking time. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.